This is the downhill two-piece car side window sunshade. Now, sometimes you need shade, a little bit of relief from the sun, whether it's to protect the young ones in the back seat in the car seat, or even put in the front seat and protect himself from UV rays. Now, driving long trips, you get a lot of sun exposure on one side or the other. Could be driver, could be passenger, and you could just get a little relief from the sun by just simply attaching this with two simple suction cups. It's easily foldable and stored. This way it's out of the way. It's a universal fit for most cars, and it just protects you, gives you a great barrier against the sun, and insulates heat so that your car doesn't get as hot in the sun. So you could even double up the two on one window and have double the shade, which is pretty convenient. You just have sensitive skin. Sometimes it's just a scorching hot day if you live in a hot climate, and maybe you're a little bit elderly, has sensitive eyes. Maybe you have to wear sunglasses, but yet the sun from the side still bothers you because you get all types of angles, especially during some seasons when you're going to work and commuting. The sun's at an angle where it really comes at you through the sides at a low angle, tough to see. You feel the heat. You're getting all this exposure to sun rays unevenly, almost like a trucker tan, which you brown up on one side of your face and you're pale on the other. And that's what happens to truckers when they drive long hours on the road. So this helps prevent that and delivers some comfortable options to shade yourself from the sun. So it's very simple. It's a great deal, easy to install. You should just put in your cart and buy with confidence.